I'm Priyanka. I was working as a Java developer. My friend recommended me myTectra to improve my technical skills. We got trained for full stack development, Angular, Spring Boot, microservices, and as well as DevOps tools like Docker and Jenkins. Not only a theoretical part, we also got hands-on experience on full stack development. Thank you very much myTectra for helping us to improve our technical skill. Thank you myTectra.
Hi, myself Rupashri. I've joined myTectra which give me opportunity to train on full stack Java. Before coming here, I had nil knowledge about Springs, Angular and DevOps, where sir given me an opportunity to learn these concepts, and also with the trainer Achilles sir, who made me hands-on in the above concept, and sir has explained with the help of PPT slides, and after each and every concept he has given PPT slides and also practical programs which made me clear in both theoretical and practical way, and also he has helped in attending interviews, placement. Now I am having a good experience here after attending the interview. Thank you, madam.
Hi everyone, I'm Chandrasekhar. I'm a Java developer. I plan to upgrade my skills to full stack developer. At that time my friend suggested me to join in myTectra, and I was joined there, and I took the training on DevOps, Angular and microservices. There Mr. Akhilesh Pandey, he was provided me the theoretical knowledge as well as a practical knowledge. We done in front of the trainer itself, and if I got any problems, he was resolved, and we come to know where in real time we'll get the problems and how we have to resolve the problems. Yeah, I'm feeling very happy at myTectra. Why? Because whenever I'm thinking to learn everything, I just referred so many things, but I didn't get the points particularly. But whenever I was joined in myTectra, they was given me a full detail on the subject, how the workflow will be, the project workflow, how particular module will work, everything they was provided me in a good manner. I feel very proud to say that myTectra is providing a very good training for the freshers as well as working people. I'm thanking to myTectra.
Hi friends, this is Sunita Pataki. I am working as a software engineer. I have experience of 2 years, but I want to upgrade my skills. So I searched so many institutes. I didn't get a good things from any institutes. Then I came to know about myTectra by Google. Okay. Then here I came for training, and I learned so many things, and I got a very practical knowledge and hands-on of everything in what I want to learn, the new technologies. I learned Spring and microservices architecture. Everything it's like now I am very expert. I can say myself I am very expert in that technologies. You can get by the Google about myTectra, and you can also join, and you can improve your skills by this institute. Thank you myTectra.